In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can create text mask using Divi 5. And this effect looks very cool in your website hero section or in carousels. Now, before we proceed, I would like to mention that we have created a complete blog post where you will find all the information and detailed step-by-step instruction to create these text masks using Divi 5 in this blog post. So make sure you check out the link in the video description below. With that said, let's dive in our WordPress backend and start building this text mask effect. So let me start from the very beginning. So I'm just going to remove everything from here, and we are right now inside Divi 5 Visual Builder. I have just created a sample page, and I'm going to start by adding a single section which is already there. And let's start by adding a row. And inside this, I'm going to add a heading. And let's give it a text, something like this. And let's go to design for this heading. And we are going to change the font size, maybe something like this. And we are also going to change the color. We need to make it black for sure. And then we need to increase the font size a bit, something like this. And then I'm going to align the text in center. Once that is done, I'm going to click back on the column here. You can see in the layers view, and we'll click on the content section, and inside background, we are going to add a background image behind it. Now this image will be visible once we add the mask, but you can also add a gradient, or you can also add a video as well. But adding a video is going to slow down your website for sure. So make your choice according to your design needs. So once the image is added, let's click back on the heading again. And for the heading, we are going to add a background color, and we are going to make it white. So now you can see that our image is no more visible, and that's where the magic happens. While we are still on our heading module, we go to design and then click on filters. And if we scroll down, here is an option for blend. And from this, we need to choose option screen. And boom, now we have a text with our image is getting masked behind it. And if we go ahead and click on save, and let's see the preview in the front end, this is how it's going to look. So here's a quick and easy tutorial to create a text mask using Divi 5. Now again, if you want to deep dive into this topic and learn everything step by step, I would highly recommend you go ahead and check out our blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. And if you want to watch more tips and tricks around Divi 5 and WordPress, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next video.